Oh yeah. Microphone check 1 2. Thanks everybody for coming. Yeah. Today's gonna be exciting. Today's presentation is how to become a business capital agent. Okay. Are you interested in learning about how to become a business loan broker? Helping others finance their small businesses can be an extremely satisfying and lucrative experience. You're helping other people fulfill their business dreams while potentially making up to 6 figures. Start your own full service business funding agency and help fuel business owners with business credit and access to funding, credit lines, and or savings. Okay. Your business can offer the services of helping them build their business credit through the #1 selling software. Okay. You can offer different types of loans, credit lines, and funding options for businesses and other situations where they can save money, right? For the small business owner, right? There are no fees at any time, no selling products to members, extreme revenue potential, immediate revenue, training included, work from home, expand your current business, be your own boss. Right? Be your own boss. You got to be the head, the HBIC. What you talking about? All right? All right. But before we start this one right here, we're going to announce the businesses that will be selected for the Under My Wing program. Okay? In case you don't know what the Under My Wing program is, this is what happened. I sent an email out to my email list. And how you get on my email list is you go get a free guide at businesscreditbuilder.us/free guide. Make sure you on that email list and you will get a whole bunch of stuff. The blog posts, when I'm doing upcoming webinars, the deals that come up, new products and services, the products and services that we offer, and the new products and services that we come up with as they come along with, and changes in the market, industry, whole bunch of stuff. So get on the list, right? Okay, now, so what happened was I sent out the email, and this is what the email said. Under my wing, I'm taking 5 consultants, business owners, and other aspiring entrepreneurs under my wing for the next 90 days to do 2 main things. Give your business credibility. 2, build business credit. And we're going to announce the winners in just a few minutes, okay? The email also includes, this special offer will include the consultation of the following. Set up your business to meet lender and credit issuer credibility standards and get automated approvals. Set up and activate your credit profile with Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax Commercial. And get your free DUNS number, which is essential to building great business credit. Get initial trade credit. To build your business credit reports with no personal credit check, access up to $150,000 in unsecured credit with 0 rates that you can secure even as a startup, right? So this is how it works. I will commit 90 days to your business and provide your business an excellent start at realistic funding options. Only 5 businesses will be specifically selected to participate in this exclusive opportunity. The selected businesses will be billed a one-time fee of $150 with no future obligation. And at the end of the 90-day period, the selected businesses will have the option of upgrading to the full business credit building program, which is a value of $2,500, which includes the continued consultation of building more trade lines with higher limits and accessing funding and credit lines. In the case where the selected businesses would like to upgrade, then there's a $275 fee at that time, which will be giving them a substantial discount on the full product. Okay. The one thing to note is the fees will be due and collectible upon notification of being selected and on day 90 if they're continue on with the program at the huge discount. Okay. So I made my selections, and we're gonna announce the businesses that are gonna be under my wing, right? So let me open up my my file where I have my businesses here. And now, if y'all know, okay, check this out. One thing. I'm gonna call the people that are selected tomorrow morning, right? And hopefully they'll be ready to rock and roll, because we're gonna do this 90-day thing, and I'm gonna be right there with you, all right? If you know where the chat box is, put your business name in now, right? And where you're from, right? What you do, right? That's gonna be the roll call in a minute, right? So now, also give me a drum roll, because now we're gonna announce the winner. Well, not the winner, the selected businesses, okay? Here we go. Drum roll. Here goes the first selected business. Healthy Transporters, LLC. Congratulations. Analytics, LLC. Everything is Everything, LLC. Sharing and Caring Family Daycare, LLC. And the last is Rich Life Moguls, LLC. Thank everybody for participating. And for the people, you know what? I want to tell you that it was really difficult in selecting these 5. Out of the hundreds that we got, it's really difficult. I'm just trying to give people, I'm trying to just help, and selecting just 5 is really difficult, right? Because there's a lot of people got these nice business ideas, and I always like to help, right? So once again, these are the companies, and if any of these representatives of these companies are in the room, please raise your hand. Healthy Transporters, Analytics, Everything is Everything, Sharing and Caring, Rich Life Moguls. If y'all are in here, raise your hand. Let's see if you can say something. Y'all in here? One of them? All right, nah. All right. So I'll be contacting those businesses in the morning and going forward with that. All right. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get down with today's webinar, which is Start Your Own Business Credit and Funding Agency. That's what we're here for today, right? So we're going to share my screen. We're going to get down to the beeswax. All right, let's go. Let's get it. All right. Now you should see my screen. Now let's get you to the proper format. And boom. In the building. Start Your Own Business Credit and Funding Agency. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, back is the incredible. I was like, all right, let's go. All right. My name is Noel A. Booker Sr. I'm the CEO at businesscreditbuilders.us LLC. Check out the contact information, right? It's up on the screen. Now, check out these 3 buttons, right? The 3 buttons. Free guide. Free guide. How to build business credit. All right? How to build business credit. You just go to businesscreditbuilder.us/free guide. Okay? And that's how you get the free guide, right? On how to build business credit. The blue button is how you get a free business credit consultation. That's when you want to talk to us about the products and or services that we provide, which is accounting, bookkeeping, websites, business credit, getting loans. We're getting ready to do grants soon, so y'all stay tuned for that. No doubt about it. All right, y'all stay tuned for that. Put that on the board. Oh, and one thing about the 90-day thing, I'm backing up. Hold up, I'm backing up real quick. The 90-day thing, right? In 90 days, we're going to take one of these businesses and come back and talk about it. Okay, let's go forward. I'm sorry. Okay, and back to the buttons, right? So we got the green button, the blue button, now the red button. Is if you think you can apply and you can get qualified for funding now, then you would go to businesscreditbuilder.us/get funding. Okay? Okay, start your own business. Okay, start your own business. Are you interested in learning about how to become a business loan broker? Helping others finance their small businesses can be an extremely satisfying and lucrative experience. You're helping other people fulfill their business dreams while potentially making up to 6 figures. Consider becoming a commercial loan broker. Okay. Let's see what's in the let's see what's up in the chat box one time. Boom. Valencia's in here. Porter's in here. Everyone, Sheila's in here. What's up? Valencia, my VIP, Mesa AZ, curated leisure wear line. No, stop it. Okay, All Purpose Innovation, LLC, construction, Bronx, New York is in the building. What? Okay. Okay, Shay, you just get here? Shay, what's up, Shay? I see you. All right. No, we just really starting the broker part. I just announced the businesses that were selected for the Under My Wing program. Word is born. Okay, so bust it. What is a business loan broker? Let's figure that out first. All right, let's figure that out. Business loan brokers make money by helping business owners get various types of loan products. These generally include business cash flow loans, equipment loans, expansion loans, and many other types of business financing. The business broker does the legwork of finding financing options for business owners. Owning a business is a lot of time consuming work, and finding out the right loan or other financing deal is serious work. Owners just don't have the time to do it, to do the legwork, to go and find the loans and the options that there are out there. Word. I see you, Vince. OCHM marketing, no doubt. Yeah. Okay. The business brokers can do enter the business loan broker. This person does the comparison shopping for the owner. The broker makes it their business to understand the loan options that are out there. The business owner doesn't have to waste time with dead ends or deals that aren't worth the time and effort. All right? Okay. The broker then presents the best choices to the owner, who then makes the final decision. The business broker is often paid a percentage out of all the finance amount, right? Usually about 3%. There are also brokers who work in lead generation. That's us. They provide the lender with pertinent contact information for the lead. Then someone from the company contacts them and completes the deal. So all we are doing is providing the place where they can give a lead, right? We get our people, our potential lenders, a link to our page where they put in their basic information, and then the company, the lender, contacts them, and we're out of it. All our job is to get them to that page, your page, put in their information, and then they will get contacted, and the lender will do all the work from there. We done. Now we go on to the next one. Okay. Training helps with being a broker, particularly training in the finance arena. There are no actual courses you can take, although having an associate's or a bachelor's degree in finance or a related major is helpful for loan brokers. But if y'all do the training, you will know the work like I know it, because I did the training. And it is always training, right? And there's always training because there's new products, the industry changes, right? And then you learn new stuff. Okay. The requirements to become an agent, a business capital agent, right? Are you must be motivated by money, yet also want flexibility in your life. Are you driven to make a difference and do something meaningful? Are you willing to be coachable and follow our proven training? Will you actively promote your business and services rather than just plain and small? Okay. So basically, if you had to drive, you could do this, right? And I'm not trying to get people to just get down with it because it sounds good right now, but I'm trying to get people that's going to be in it to win it, right? You fit it into what you do and you make it happen the best that you can. Every business, this is like starting your own business. This is, every business, man, you got to put work into it. This ain't no easy thing. You got to put work into it and a lot of strategy, right? If one thing doesn't work, you try another thing, right? But we give you the training. We tell you exactly what you need to do. Like everything that I do, I was taught through the training. And I'm gonna tell you more about that. Okay. Valencia, I'm looking at your comment. Okay. No doubt. Okay, so bust it. Yeah, Vince, I see you. Okay, so for anything that I'm going to present to you, right, for your business to grow, there is no fees at any time. All right, no selling of products. You don't have to go sell no lotion and stuff to your aunt and stuff. You don't have to have people over the house and stuff. Okay. Extreme revenue potential, immediate revenue, training included, work from home, expand your current business, right? So you can use this stuff to complement what you already do, right? So like this is like good for like people that got tax offices and accountants, even some lawyers and stuff like that, right? You can be your own boss. HBIC. Okay, here goes some advantages. Significant potential for growth and earnings. Be your own boss and create work-life balance. You don't need a huge startup investment. You don't need a degree or experience to do this, okay? But you do need willpower, right? So now we're going to go over the nitty-gritty, right? So you can become a full-service business loan broker by partnering with my lending partners here, right? These are my 4 lending partners. Some of them specialize in some things, some overlap in some things. But if your business offers everything that all of these 4 offer, You'll be a full service broker. Okay. And all you have to do is get people to your link. So each one of these situations, you would set up your account, right? And each one of these situations would give you your own links, your own web page, your own marketing materials. They will also train you. Each one of these, okay? Each one of these, they will train you, all right? And if you offer all 4 of these, then you will be full service. Now you can decide just to offer the ones that you want to offer. And I'm going to go over what each one of these offer, right? We're going to go over them. But I wanted you to see that right there. That's the 4 partners. Credit Suite. That's how I started, right? So when I started offering business credit, I bought into Credit Suite's partner program, which back then cost about $5,000. So now I am able to sell the services that they offer. Their main service that they offer is the Business Finance Suite. So my company is Business Credit Builder, which is powered by the Business Finance Suite, which is the software that the actual client uses to help build their business credit. If you go to the website, it's the first video right there on the page, businesscreditbuilder.us. You can see what the Business Finance Suite is about. At the bottom of my website, there are testimonials about people that have used the Business Finance Suite, right? But check that out, right? And so Credit Suite is like a franchise, right? So I am empowered to sell their products, right? Including the Business Finance Suite. So I think their price to do it now is about $7,000 or something like that. But that's why I created my own reseller program for the things that I can sell with Credit Suite, right? And then I started branching out. I went to ROK. They're in New York, right? I was in New York and I did a webinar live from ROK Financial's office in New York, right? That's when I was just setting up my reseller thing with them, right? And then I sent out the email. I went up there, did the webinar right from their office. I came back, did some emails out for ROK Financial stuff. And then within a month, I got $3,000 from different loans from that first time, right? Then I got on to, and I've been on ROK ever since, 2 years now. And now David Allen Capital. I'm new to David Allen Capital, but David Allen Capital has remarkable training, back office, all the stuff. They all got back offices and stuff, right? But David Allen Capital, you can make a whole bunch of money there because of the residuals that you can make, right? And from the downline that you can make money off of people that come up under you, right? So that's David Allen Capital. And their specialty is, David Allen Capital's specialty is cash flow, right? But they got other services. We're going to go over that in more detail. And then just recently, I got onto National Business Capital, and they have a lot of the same stuff, but then they have some extra stuff like loans for doctors and different stuff that the other ones do not cover, you see. So that's why I'm saying, if you offer all 4 of these, the products from all 4 of these companies, you'll make 3% base. This is the basic rundown. The rundown is basically you get 3% of whatever the loan is. So if you get a loan for a business for $100,000, you make $3,000. That's not bad money for getting somebody to go to a link. The thing is getting the people to get to a link, right? So you have to have volume, you have to go and be in contact with businesses, right? So the more businesses you come in contact with and they know that you are the business funding person, right? Then you'll get to be known as. And some people don't, when you approach them, they might not need a loan right then, but you want to keep yourself in their mind all the time, that when they do need money, now that, oh snap, I know such and such, right? So that's how that works. This ain't the quick come up. This is like, you got to build up your name. You have to get the numbers, right? It ain't for the faint at heart. It's for those that are hungry, okay? I ain't gonna sugarcoat Nathan out here, yo. You got to get your grind, right? You got to get your grind, but you have the resources that'll help you train to focus, so you can focus in on what to do, right? You have to focus. Okay. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to my website, right? And I'm gonna show you. Hold on, let me stop the share and reshare. Then now I'm gonna show you on the website, on my website. Y'all can follow me or y'all can watch, right? But we're going to businesscreditbuilder.us. And I'm getting ready to share my screen for that, so y'all can follow along. And I'm going to show you the different companies and what they offer, right? Okay. So now you should be able to see my desktop. This is businesscreditbuilder.us, and you can follow along, or you can watch right there on the screen. This will also be on YouTube in about a day, right? So you go to this website, which is businesscreditbuilder.us, and then you got that YouTube button up there, right? So that's where the YouTube station is, right? But right now we're going to the business loans tab, right? All right. Let me know if you're following with me. Put something in the chat box or something. Let me know that you're with me, right? That's how we do. You know what I'm saying? All right. We're going to the business loans page. Okay. Now, when you get to the business loans page, you got to scroll down a little bit. And then you see the funding options, right? Bam, bam, right there. So the funding options is Credit Suite, right? That's where I started, at Credit Suite. That's my parent company. That's like the McDonald's, right? Remember I told you about, I'm like a franchise. So like McDonald's, they teach their franchises how to make the hamburger, right? They tell them exactly how to make the hamburger. Exactly, got to be just like this. That's what I have an arrangement with Credit Suite. Anything I do it because of Credit Suite, right? Okay. So somebody responded, yeah, they with me. She said, let's boogie down. You know you old. She said boogie down. Okay. That's funny. Okay. Sheila's in the building. All right. Okay, so all right, now, so we're looking at the screen, right? We have the funding options, the Credit Suite with Business Credit Builder, right? That's how I started. Then you got the DAC, David Allen Capital, right? Then if I scroll down a little bit, you got National Business Capital. And then you have ROK Financial, right? Financial, that's what I said. Okay. Okay, so at Business Credit Builder, Credit Suite over here, right? Now we're looking over here. We offer the business credit, right? So they would go here and see stuff about the business credit that we offer, right? And then we have this credit line hybrid program. This is a special item right here. This will get a startup business up to $150,000 if they have good personal credit. Okay, there is no program out there that does this. Okay, they're gonna look into that, right? I hope y'all are taking notes and screenshotting or whatever y'all need to do. Okay, so they have accounts receivable financing, equipment financing, merchant credit, right? and I got webinars that describe all of what this is, but this is just so y'all could get this information. Y'all know where it's at. Y'all could drill down and learn it. But I'm telling y'all, when y'all sign up, we're gonna give you the training about all of this stuff. Just like I know it, you can know it, right? Okay. What else? Okay, so they get the 401k financing, a purchase order finance, commercial real estate finance, term loans, SBAs, right? And this is all stuff your business can offer to any business. Okay? You can offer all this stuff just like I'm offering it. All right. I just happen to package it like this on my website, right? On my businesscreditbuilder.us website. You can have your own website, or these companies, they give you the places to send your people. They give you, I'm gonna tell you more, right? Because DAC, they give you a whole website, right? All right, so let's look over here at the DAC stuff, right? Did I tell you everything I needed to tell you about the Credit Suite stuff? Yeah, I think so, right? They even got SBA loans. Oh, let me tell y'all one thing about the Credit Suite, right? Okay, so I can resell the business finance suite, right? But in order for me to get the 3% on selling the merchant credit and on all the other different lending products, I would have to pay $99 per month, which the volume is not that good for me in order for me to pay $99 a month. So if I get one of these from Credit Suite, then I'll only get 1% as an affiliate. Okay. That's what I get. All right. So I'm just straight up and down with the whole thing, right? So that's what I get. All right. And then for people that get loans that come through there, then we're gonna work that out so we all get paid and we all eat, right? Now, all of the rest of these, you got your own deal with these, and you're getting straight up 3% and more. Okay. So here we go. David Allen Capital. Now, David Allen Capital, their focus is cash flow funding. So existing businesses that make over $3,000 a month, right? They got this online system that can get them approved in 10 minutes, just off the phone. Okay. And all you got to do is get them to your link. David Allen Capital is going to give you a whole website. Okay. And it got your name on it and everything. And anything that comes through your website, you get 3% of and more. Now, the more they got this compensation package that's incredible, right? That 3% could easily be 9%. Do you know what that means? Okay, so, but I don't even know enough about the compensation plan to discuss it. So I'm going to tell you exactly what to do so you can learn about it and be your boss. All right. So I don't know the details on that compensation plan is complex, but you can make some loot. I'm telling you. Okay. So they got the instant funding, business capital, they got the line of credits, equipment financing, and they got the asset-backed financing, right? Now, and this is incredible also, now we can do this stuff in Canada. So people in Canada, they'll have a button to say, oh, I'm from Canada, so they can get down. Prior to this year, offering this service to Canada had not even been existent. Okay. So DAC is growing right now. DAC is growing like at a remarkable rate right now. Okay. Now, remember I said that you can offer products and services that can help businesses save money. This is what I'm talking about from David Allen Capital. They have the employee retention credit, right? So they have an arrangement. There's some detailed stuff, but they have an arrangement with mandate lawyers and CPAs that'll hook up the employee retention credit, the ERC, right? You get paid off of that. Payment processing. So businesses that accept credit cards, we have a situation that'll help them save money, all right? Identity protection. Employee any day. Y'all gotta drill down into this. The employee any day is a benefit for the employer, right? To their employees. It's a benefit that they can offer where their employees, as they make money, they can pull money straight off of this card. All right, y'all got. I can't tell you in the proper way, right? But it's actually a benefit for the business owner to help out their employees so that they can get their money before paycheck day. Okay, and we got this new thing called health share, where if somebody is paying for their health insurance, this health share is a good option to consider to save money. Okay, and that's all the stuff for David Allen Capital. But David Allen Capital, I'm more excited about because of their compensation plan and their ability to provide you with residual incomes. And they got this other thing called amped up, or that once you get one sale, then that means you're amped up, right? You're amped up for about 30 or 60 days, right? So while you're amped up and you get another one, now you're double. Now you're not at 3%, now you're at 6%. And they got this accumulating schedule that can grow if you're actually doing something. Now, all of this stuff is not for people that are going to sit down. It's for the people that's going to get up and do something, okay? Let's go to National Business Capital. National Business Capital, they offer small business loans, business line of credit, equipment financing. They have this new thing called the hybrid SBA loan. That's like for people that can qualify for, they can come close to qualifying for an SBA loan. And this is going to speed the process up and have lower qualifications. So it's a new avenue, right? We have the performance advance. You'll need to look into this stuff, right? Drill down on this on your own. They have equipment financing. They have high risk financing. Now, some of these other companies are not going to mess with high risk companies, right? Cannabis business is high risk. So they do have a high risk situation here, right? Cannabis financing solution. They have asset-based lending, accounts receivable financing, loans for doctors and dental practices, merchant cash advances, franchise financing, purchase order financing, and commercial mortgage financing. You see? So you see how some of their products include the other companies, but then they have some extra stuff, right? So that's why I'm telling you that with all four of these, then you can be a full service. You can pick which ones you want to do. Now, ROK Financials, they are the same thing. They have equipment financing, term loans, line of credit, working capital, real estate. Oh, they got this fix and flip. Check out that fix and flip. The other ones don't have that. The fix and flip, right? That one is for businesses that can prove that they know how to fix and flip. That means they did it already in a year or two ago. They didn't already fix and flip the house. They can prove it. And then there are some nice requirements that you can do this easy. All right. All right. What they finance the entire purchase of the property and the rehab of the property. And they want the client to sell it in 6 months. So like I said, with being able to offer all of this stuff as a full service broker, if you can't fund somebody, then they can't be fundable, right? Now, if they can't be fundable, that's okay, because we can go back to the top, to the credit suite, and offer them the business credit building situation with the finance suite. So if it's a business that can't qualify, we can help you qualify. That's what we do. In our business finance suite, we help you build up your business credit. You build up business credit and get access to more funding. And we are teaching you and guiding you to get approved. You can't get approved now? We have a system that'll get you approved. Okay? So, as a full service broker, if you will be able to, if a person cannot be funded, they can't be fundable, then they're not fundable. And we have the products to help them get funded. Okay? So it's not a business that we can't help in some way, right? We just have to convince them that we are the man on that we the HBIC, we the boss, right? You know, that's all this is about, right? This is all convincing them that you have viable situations that can help them. And we train you on how to do that. Now, my presentation, I know I'm a little rough around the edges. I'm not like the white guy that I trained from. He's like, yes, pardon me. You know, I'm sorry, y'all. I am rough around the edges, right? But I'm for real with this. Okay? I'm for real with this. So if you're a business-minded person and you think that this is something good for you, then I'm gonna tell you exactly what to do. Right? Now, we're at my website, right? So now we're going to go to the partner button. The partner button, right? You'll see that. The partner button. We're going to the partner button. No doubt about it. Yeah. Okay, who's my girl that was in the car? She out there driving around now. All right, be safe. All right. Okay, so now we're at the partner page, right? We're at the partner page. Okay, start your own business funding agency and help fuel business owners with business credit and access to funding and or savings. Your business can offer all of these services. Click each Start Now button and apply now. Okay. Who's that? Porter has said something. Noel, I'm always told my business is too risky for a loan of construction. Is this true? Construction is risky, but we can fund construction, right? David Allen Capital loves funding those type of businesses because they got cash flow, right? So if a construction company comes to me, I'm going to find out all these different things, right? Let me just tell you this, right? So these are the things that I'm going to find out. It's the 3 C's. And in my webinars, I always talk about the 3 C's, but this is the deal. The 3 C's. They're going to look at the 3 C's. The 3 C's of funding are credit, cash flow, collateral. Credit, cash flow, collateral. That's the 3 C's of funding. Now, if you got all 3 of these C's, then you could possibly qualify for an SBA loan. If you got 2 of the 3 C's, then you could possibly qualify for a term loan. If you have 1 of the 3 C's, depending on which one that you do have, then you can qualify for some money, no doubt. If you have none of the 3 C's, then that's when you have to start with business credit. And as you build your business credit and strategize, see, they don't tell you about that part. You got to strategize. You have to build your business credit and strategize, and then you can get more funding and get to fund the things that you need for your business. Okay, and that's for real. All right, Porter, what you need to do is just schedule a consultation on my website, businesscreditbuilder.us. Schedule a consult. Word is born. Okay, so we're back on my website. Somebody say something? What?
I just said, got you. I'll schedule
all right
appointment with you because I have more questions.
All right, that's the bet. Plus, at the end of this, you can ask some questions, right? I like the questions, no doubt.
Okay, thank you.
That's how you get information out of these, to interact, right? Because I know I ain't telling you every single thing. There's a whole bunch of stuff, right? But you got to be interested enough to ask the questions to get what you need. Yes. All right.
Okay.
I'm just being for real, right? All right. Your business can offer all of these services. Click each start button now. So down here you have the Business Credit Builder. That's me with the credit suite, right? So when you click that, you'll be getting to me by going, you'll be scheduling a consultation so I can set you up as a reseller for the business credit stuff, right? Which, when you're reselling business credit for me, right, all you need to do is send people to my webinars that I do once a week, just about once a week, on Wednesdays at 7. And when they want to proceed, they will be initiated to schedule a free consultation. And when they do the consultation, then there'll be an option for them to say, how did you get referred? And then your name will be there. But you got to register, right? And then when I get a new client, I always ask them, how did you hear about us? And then they're going to tell me your company, right? So that's how I double check it, right? So that's the deal with that. That's how you start to sell business credit. And I'm gonna give you about $200 for everyone that you sell, right? Everything that you sell business credit wise, building business credit, goes through Business Credit Builder, and we're gonna hook you up on that. Now mine is laxed, right? Now the other companies, theirs are all more, you got an agreement, you got a contract with each one of these companies, right? Okay, so David Allen Capital, you would go here, and I'm gonna show you that one. Y'all can still see my screen, right? I'm gonna show you this one because I want y'all to get in this. This is the one to be in, okay? Because they give you good training, really good training. They stay and they own it, all right? I'm telling y'all. So I'm gonna even show you the where this link takes you, right? So when you start now, right? So you click on Start Now, and then we come over here, and they give you a video, right? Just to set you up so you can understand what this is about in being a partner with them, right? This one is a short video. I think this one is about 3 minutes, but this one is about 17 minutes, I think, right? So there's two ones. There's the quick summary video with the founder, David Rutz, and there's the in-depth summary video. And then you can just join now. When you click join now, you'll click that, and then you're gonna fill out the application to be a partner. And when you fill out this application to be a partner, they're gonna email you, and this is free. You don't have to put up no money, all right? They're gonna email you your info sheet. Your info sheet is gonna have your website. It's gonna have everything you need. Oh, I got an error here. When I'm broadcasting, sometimes it be bugging out. But when you set up that David Allen Capital, all right, 1, 2. Microphone check, 1, 2. What is this? The 5-foot assassin with the roughneck business. They knocked me off the screen, made my eyes bleed. What up? All right, am I back? What up? 1, 2. Okay, let me go back to sharing my screen where I was. It knocked me out of here. Okay, I clicked something and then it took me all out of here. Okay, so now you can see my screen, right? Boom. All right, somebody say something. Vince, what up?
Right.
Am I
Boom.
back? All right, bet. All right. All right, Miss Porter. All right. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. All right. I'm back. Okay, so Busted, where was I? I'm on the David Allen Capital partner page. Well, before you sign up with them, they're gonna show you these, they got these 2 videos, right? Keep up with this dude right here, David Russ, right? He's the man. All right. Check out his videos, right? And then apply. Once you apply to be a partner, they're going to send you your info sheet with all your stuff. And that info sheet is real important. It's going to give you the training for you to get started right now. Okay. Now we're going to go back. Now we're back at my website where the on the partner page, right? Now we're back on the partner page, and you have the other partners and the start now buttons for each one of them, right? So each one of these are free. You sign up, they're gonna email you your credentials. You got a back office for each one of these. The back office gives you the information about your applications that are coming through, what you got funded on, your commissions, how you get paid, all this stuff. Okay. Now, this ain't for the weak at heart. Now, if you just thought that we was gonna go up here and make some easy money, this ain't the one. Okay. All right. So this is for the grueling ones. And I know only a couple of y'all are out there. All right. But I'm glad y'all came out to check it out at least. Right. That's the step. That's the first step, to come and check it out. Whew. Is this worth it for me? So that's what you got to figure out, right? So my job is to present it the best I can. And I'm getting a little bit better. I'm new at this the partner program presentations, but I'm getting a little bit better and more organized. And we trying to make it happen out here. Word is born. Sheila, she thinks I'm funny. Oh my God. No, it's like, thank you. All right, we in here. Okay, so yeah. Anybody got questions? Open up your mic. Talk to me. Type it in the chat. This is the time to get down. To get down with the get down. What? I'll answer any questions, partner related, business credit related, whatever y'all want to know. I'm open for y'all for the next few minutes. What? Let's do it. Whew. All right, my shit is still sharing. I don't need to share right now. Okay. Bet. Okay. You got me shook up. Okay, any questions? What up? No questions? Y'all know everything. Is that it? All right. What's up? Who that?
It's Kogi. You didn't pronounce my name correctly. You didn't say it at all, but I'm gonna give you a
That's
thumb.
right. You know why? Because I knew it was gonna mess it up. That's why I always reported. I remember I always responded to you as Porter. But
So,
now I can say Kogi.
Kogi,
Hey,
correct.
Miss Kogi.
Hey, Mr. Neuro. Look, question.
Funny.
I'm gonna let you into what my brain has been thinking about doing. Since we are in construction and we deal with a lot of people that have storefronts. You know what storefronts are. You're a New Yorker. So I would like to be able to set up this type of credit business in the extension to my construction company for the storefront business owners that want to get the store in alignment, looking beautiful. They may not have the money. So I want to be that come-to person. And another question to ask you, for homeowners, like we work in homes, we remodel whatever needs to be remodeled. With a homeowner, could they be qualified up under one of the 4 banks or no?
If they have a business.
Oh, only if they have a business.
Right. That's what I deal with. Business.
It's business. Okay.
Right. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So Yeah.
Business finance, right? So if a business want to get money, now if they own their house outright or have a bunch of equity in their house,
Yes.
then I'd set up an LLC and we're gonna get a loan for something from my business.
See, you think like me. I like to think outside the box because
All
it's
right,
so
that's what I'm saying.
when I saw this, I'm like, okay. When earlier today, I said this will be good because we got a lady around the corner. She wants to take her garage and make it into a 2-bedroom. You know how they do up in New York. They have illegal stuff, legal rooms, and try to make them legal. But it's gonna cost her like $75,000. So I need to be able to tap into this money on both sides of me. With the people with the homes, she does have a business. She has a braiding shop, and then the Iraqis, the Iran, and all them that's got these mom and pop stores. They can't afford to fix the door, especially that Herculite door. The Herculite door is like $8,000, and then
Okay, so there's different ways to approach all of them, right?
yeah,
So
I need to know
one
this.
thing is to think of, remember I said the three C's? Well, which one of those they got? If they got the equity in a home, that's one of the three C's. That's
Equity in the home.
collateral, right? If
Yes.
they got cash flow, if it's one of those corner stores, they got cash flow every week,
Mm-hmm.
3,000 or more, they can get some money. Cash
3,000
flow, right? They got good personal credit.
personal
We got
credit.
that credit hybrid program, the credit line hybrid program.
Okay.
That's for startup businesses that got good personal credit and they could get up to $150,000 in 3 weeks.
Okay.
Boom. See, and I'm able to drop this because I studied, I did the training, and I know this stuff. What?
I mean, I believe that I'm sitting in a gold mine because of all the different businesses around here. And you can find people in different places that want to start up a business,
Right,
just don't have the capital, besides going to New
right.
York State that they do
So
have a 3% loan.
let me add something to that, right?
Yes.
So somebody like you're meeting new business owners every single day,
Yes.
right? So David Allen Capital, they got these, I forgot what they call them, these cards, right? They're like they're like a little postcard, right? And it has the scan code on there and everything, right? So the people that you think that may qualify for that cash flow or any of the products under David Allen Capital, you got this card, you dropping it off as you doing your daily stuff. Every time you see a business, boom, hit that, right?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Or however you're gonna package it, right? Because me, I use my business cards for business credit builder, and then I get them to get the free guide. So that's how the credit suite taught me, right? So everybody got a different way to organize how it goes, and I'm willing to sit down and figure out what's good for you, right?
Right.
So everybody's different, right? So I don't mind putting in some thought process to help set up right, right? Because a lot of people, they start these businesses, but they ain't set up right, and then later on, all this stuff, it just don't go right, right? So the most important piece to even setting up your business is the getting your business credible, right? And that's all the basic stuff: your business name, EIN, telephone number listed with 411, a DUNS number, a website, a bank account. If a business don't have that right there, then they're not even fundable from the get. And that's the basic startup stuff. So the point I'm making is that I'm willing to help set up the process, right? Figure out what's good for you, right?
Okay.
Anybody got any questions? I know Vince you got at least one question, Vince. Come on, man. I can't hear you. You can type it. Go ahead. Uh, Kogi, you could get your next question lined up. I know you got another question. Shay, she's driving, right? That's her that was driving, I think. No.
Valencia.
Oh, that's right. That was Valencia. Okay. Let's see. Shirley, got any questions? What up? Where you at? All right. Okay, go ahead, Kogi.
Okay. Now, my scenario, I need to know. I have two. I've already started with the business credit, but don't go ham on me, okay? The information is still in the email box with Granger. It's two other people. I did get approved, but I never got back with it. Okay.
You got approved, didn't do nothing, right?
Yeah, is that gonna hurt me when I try to go back now? Because it's been like 5 months.
No, you go back to that account and you try to make a purchase with that account you created 5 months ago.
Okay. All right.
Now, sometimes they might have closed the account, then you just apply again.
Okay. Now, how can you help me with my business? Because what you were saying a business have, I have maybe all of them except for two. I don't have the phone line, but I have the Dunn's number, the Sam's number. Again, business credit has started. I just have not.
Were you on that list? Were
No,
you on the
you didn't put me on the list.
did you apply for the under my wing thing?
No, I downloaded the book.
Okay. Do this.
That package.
Do this. Right? Oh snap. Hold on.
Show my face.
Hold on. I'm gonna get this link. This is the hookup. Okay, Sheila, I see you. Okay. You want to call me? Yeah. Go ahead and Sheila, you set up that consult, right? And then that's how we make our times coordinate, right? Let me get this link for Kogi. Let me get this link. Where is it? Kogi gonna get the quick hookup real quick. Let me see. Okay, so Kogi, right? I did this under my wing thing, right? Where I help you set up your business and get you on the right path, right? I'm still looking for the link. Shit. Oh, I gotta log into my constant contact. Okay, so what it is today at the beginning of this webinar, I selected 5 businesses out of 100 to go under my wing with my one-on-one consultation. You can see my one-on-one consultation on my website on the prices tab. And with this under my wing situation, I'm giving you 9 months for $150 at no future obligation whatsoever. So it's like a incredible, stupid, ridiculous deal. It's the Crazy Eddie. You remember Crazy Eddie? It's the Crazy Eddie deal. Okay. I'm getting the link for you. Hold on. You remember Crazy Eddie though? That might have been too old for you. But when I was a teenager in New York, there was this these electronic stores in Brooklyn. This dude Crazy Eddie, and he said, "I'm slashing prices so bad. He's crazy." Right? So, he'd get on TV with some crazy, doing some crazy stuff. Say he's so crazy, he's slashing prices.
I remember.
Okay. Damn, you old then.
I'm in my 50s.
All right then.
I'm not old, I'm young.
All right, that's it.
Forever
That's
21.
It. I'm old. Okay.
Okay, you can say you old. I'm young. Forever 21.
I'm old, but I feel young. All right.
All right.
I'm a hip hop thug still.
Yeah.
Yeah, I meant to say something else, but my mind, I'm doing something else. Okay, okay, I'm getting ready to put in the chat this link. All right, so that's what you complete right now, right? Like when we hang up, that's what you complete, and then in the morning, I'm gonna call you.
Okay.
All right. If you want to get down with that program that's described on that page, I'm gonna call you.
Okay.
Because I'm gonna go to that list tomorrow and say, Kogi's gonna be on that list. Let me call her before I start calling the other guy that I already selected. So you just jumped the line and got selected. Okay.
I'm ready. I have 3 businesses that I am multitasking with right now. So
It seems like you the HBIC there. So
I am.
we could work some stuff. I don't even mind come up. I'll come up there and do a presentation live. That's how I started. I used to do these webinars in the libraries, right? And then COVID hit. Then it wound up being even better to do them on the webinars, right?
Yeah.
But I still plan on doing like a tour of this to go to different cities and do like the conference in hotels.
Oh, that'll be nice.
You see what I'm saying? And
Just hit me up. I'll be
I'll
there.
be going to the cities that all my resellers are at, and we gonna clock this bitch. Okay.
Okay.
We're gonna put in the grind. I ain't scared of no work. Okay. Anybody else got any questions? What's on your mind, Vince? What's going on? Oh, Vince said something. Oh, snap. Let's see. Hey, give me a call when you have free time. Just text me right before you call me. No. I'm gonna forget, man. That's why that's why I have the consult button on my website. You schedule a consult, you pick the time, it's gonna hit my email, and I'm gonna know that boom, you got direct time with me right then, right? All right, you know what it is. Do I need to type that? Do I need to put that in there too? Okay, you got that. Yeah, do the consult that way, right? Because I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna forget. Be like, yeah, Vince, no doubt, and then forget, right? Okay, I'm gonna let you know up straight. All right. Any more questions before we got here? I didn't spend. What time is it? It's 8:10. No. I ain't been on here that long. So cool. What up? Y'all can still get down. Kobe, what you doing? You filling out that application thing now? You reading the details, huh?
Yeah.
All right, bet.
2
Yeah.
screens open over here.
Check that out. Yeah, check that out. If you down, cool. If not, I got your back anyway. But this way, I got your back like a motherfucker. All right, we're gonna get out of here, y'all. Y'all have a good one. I appreciate y'all's time and everything. And y'all know how to get down. Y'all know the routine. Yep. Kimberly, what's up? Pretty picture. Sheila, she's still in there. All right.
Thanks, Noel, and good information. I met you in Atlanta several years ago at a presentation you did. So,
Oh, word. Oh,
yeah,
that's when I was doing it. That's what I was doing in person and stuff, right?
yeah.
All
So,
right. You see here, we just got more gray hairs now.
hey, we all do.
All right, y'all. Y'all have a good one. I'm out like shout.
Thank you.